Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all promotions emails from Gmail app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you opened your Gmail app, you may notice right here that promotions, you can get into it to see all the promotions emails that can be quite annoying for some people, and I'll show you how you can remove that option from here. So all you have to do is just tap right here at 3 lines icon and then get into settings. On settings, tap at inbox customizations and then tap at inbox categories at the very top. And right here you can easily find that promotions feature. You can easily hit at that switcher to toggle it off, and then you can hit on done, and now you can move on to your all inboxes just like that. And as you can see, this option allows you to hide promotions on Gmail app. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Gmail tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.